Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a word cloud in Canva. This is a great way to visualize text, highlight key ideas, and make designs more engaging. Now let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we first need to add some text. For example, we can add a text box here and name it Cloud 1. This will be our word. Let's make this bigger. We just need to adjust the size to make it larger. Next, we go to Elements. Here, we type Word Cloud. You might see different options, but not always a word cloud. For example, let's pick this workload. We will choose this shape of frame's word load. Now, all we have to do is move this to the frame. As you can see, once we enter, or let's put this here as an example. Since the background is plain, let's change the background to purple. Then we can adjust this one and put it here. As you can see, we can use this one, or we can use another style. For example, let's put this cloud here. It just fits here. We can delete this one and delete that one. Then we can group this so it becomes one element. That's how we can create a word cloud in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can turn words into eye-catching visuals.